Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. From here I select part modeling. Now we will select a front plane. Get back to normal view and hide all the planes. Make a rectangle. (124) and 160. And make a center arc, start point and end point. And then trim. And then OK. Now extrude it. Our sketch is incomplete. It's not in closed loop, so I can fix it. Edit definition. Close with the help of line. OK. Now again extrude. It's 64. And then OK. Now select the front face as a sketch plane and get offset -24 and then OK. And now select again extrude and remove material. Select side face as a sketch plane and make a rectangle of 64 by 64. And the dimension of the rectangle positions are 104 from bottom, and then extrude it up to 48 and then OK. And now again select side face as a sketch plane diameter is 40. And the dimension distance of the center is 32 of the circle, and make a rectangle and then trim. OK. Opposite direction and dimension is 36. And now I'm doing mirror. Select mid plane. Our drawing is finished. Now